fixing Direct 12 is not supported on your system in Marvel Rivals is really easy to do. Now, you'll basically get this error right here, and how you want to fix this is you go over to on your computer like so, library, right click on it, and go over to properties on Marvel Rival. You want to be on general option like so, and as you can see, you want to put this in the launch options right here. You just type this in like so, just type in the error /D312 like so, and when you put that in, this should actually report the error that it is crashing and allow it to be fixed. But to actually finish fixing it, you want to go over to this website DX11, and you actually want to go over to this depending on your browser. I'm using Microsoft, so you want to go over to here and actually get this application like so. Now this should allow you to actually run the game, because currently without this you are not allowed to run the game because maybe your computer is not fully up to modern times. So you actually need this to actually run the game if you are going to try to fix this issue. Now, once you actually do this, you want to go into your computer settings, go into updates and settings. And as you can see, to actually make sure our computer is up to date, you actually want to go over here and actually check for updates. As you can see, mine's currently up to date, 2024. It is the current month. And as you can see, this should fix your error depending on the month and year you're in. And yeah, just make sure your computer's up to date.